Hey YouTube. So today's project is a 2014 Dodge Charger I just picked up from a government surplus auction, and having some issues with the taillights. So headlights work, taillights are non-existent. So let's try to trace this down and figure it out and get it repaired. I wanted to just get all this mess out of the way off camera so y'all wouldn't have to watch me struggle with all this stuff. This one goes all the way up and activates the trunk, activates the trunk taillights, okay, on mine. And it could be similar with yours or any other one, but it was the white and gray wire. So I get it to focus here. Okay, so now, if we trace this mess down and go over here, it's gonna be the same deal. Except for this one, it's white and purple. If I can get it to focus. White and purple, same deal. Once these are connected, will work this brake light. All right, so the last one for this light was down in here, and it was also a purple and white. Purple, white, gray, and white. It looks like purple and white to me. But then once they're connected, yeah, that brake light over there works. And I'm gonna go ahead and solder all these up and show you guys the connections and show you that they work. But this mess was intertwined with all of it. What I have done is spliced in a wire. I had to do the gray wire, spliced it in on both sides, soldered it, heat shrinked it. So that connection to the middle light that's on the trunk lid is connected. And then this connection here, spliced in with a gray wire. And that's for the passenger side tail light. So I got that all tidied up. And then of course the cable that's under the next to the fuse box. White and gray wire spliced in with a gray wire, and this one runs the driver's side tail light. So let's get them turned on and we will check and see how it looks. On, working great, looks awesome. So that's how you do it, guys. Soldered it up, heat shrunk it. Everything should be good and tidy, should last. So stay tuned for the next video because we will be removing the spotlight. So stay tuned.